farm, Cheep Cheep. We didn't find your guth at the beach.
Cheep Cheep's lost her voice.
We've been searching all morning, but we can't find her lost guth.
When I was sick, I lost my guth too, but I didn't have to look for it. I just had to rest, and my guth came back. I know. You can go home and rest. We'll all look for your guth.
No guth here.
Ah.
No sign.
What's that sound?
It sounds like a cheep.
It might be Cheep Cheep's guth. A Glyn, Fia.
Do you hear that too?
We're getting closer.
Maybe we're going to find Cheep Cheep's guth after all.
Huh? That's not Cheep Cheep's guth. When I was 10, my mum made me a special honey and lemon drink. Maybe we can make a special drink for Cheep Cheep. There. It just needs to cook for a little while.
Let's make get well soon cards for her while we wait. Cheep Cheep, you're awake.
We didn't find your guth, Cheep Cheep, but we made you a drink.
And some cards.